Do you know you can color old photo? Here I'm going to show you how to color old photo. So watch to the end to know everything. Now here to color old photo, now here I'm going to use two powerful AI tools to show you how to do this. Now here the first one is how to use Chatgpt to color old photo. Now here to use Chatgpt to color old photo, what you will do is just make sure you have the Chatgpt application on your device or on your phone, or know how to access the website. Now here the first thing is to open the Chatgpt like this. Here upload the picture you want to edit like this by clicking this photo icon here. Now what you do now is to click on files here. Now here go to the folder where you save the old photo like this. Find the old photo where you kept it. Now click on the folder where you save it like this. Now here select the old photo you want to color here. I will use this one here. Now here wait for it to upload. Now here type this prompt like this. Here I will type it and then explain. Now here is what the prompt say. Make this photo look like a modern colored photo from Photo Lab. Now here you can see the list of photo tools which you can use, which also I will leave on the description section. You can use it and then ask it. You can see from Photo Lab. Now after typing this prompt, what you do is just send it like this by clicking this up arrow icon here, and then wait for it to color it. So you can see it is processing it. You see it here. Now as you can see, it have colored it. You see it here. See, they have colored it. We can save it by clicking here, save here, and save it like this. You see. Now also you can redo it by clicking this icon here to redo it here, to regenerate the response here. You can see. Now here let's try a second one, which is Nano Banana, which you can use the web tool or use the application. Here I will use the application like this. Now here select till you find the application like this. Now here click on the Gemini app here, or open the web tool here. I will leave the link on the description section. Now here what to do now here is to click on this icon here, this two facing arrow icon here. Now here click on this create image here. Now here we have select the Nano Banana tool. Now here what to do now here is to type this prompt here. Let me type it and then explain. Now here you can see the prompt. Make this photo to look like a modern colored photo. You see from, which is the tool. You can see the tools. You can tell it Photo Lab, you can tell it Photoshop, you can tell it, I will leave the link of the tools. You can refer it to be like, to make it look like as if it was created or it was colored by this tool. See, you can see Photo Lab. Now here what I will do now is to upload the old photo which I want to color here by clicking on this plus icon here. Now here what to do now is to click on this gallery or click on files. Here I will click on gallery. Now here what to do now is to click on the old photo which you want to color here like this. Here I will use this one here, and then click on done here. Now here what to do now is to here wait for it to upload. Now here after uploading, now here what to do now is to send it by clicking on this arrow here. Now wait for it to color it. As you can see, it is coloring it. Now you can see here. Now you can see it have colored the old photo. You see here. Now also you can download it by clicking this icon here and click on download and download it. You see I have downloaded it. You can open it and see it. Now you can go back by clicking on your back navigation here. Now the prompt and the refer to is in the description section, which you can find. Also the link to download the app, also the link to find the web tool is in the description section. So try it and tell me how it works on the comment section, because I will be delighted to know. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.